Hey guys, Justin here. I hope you're having a great weekend. I wanted to put together a watch list here for the coming week for some stocks for you guys to watch, some things that we are watching as a team, and also most importantly, key market updates so you guys are in the loop with what's going on in the market, the technicals on the market, and so forth. With that being said, if you could like and subscribe to our channel, it would be greatly appreciated. And if you are interested in getting our daily alerts, our course access, and more, check out SimplifiedInvesting.com. We would love to help you guys out and have you guys on board. So as you can tell from this title, this is going to be our watch list for the week, what we are watching, plays that we will be likely playing here in the coming week. But before we do that, we always like to break down the market. Where can we expect the market to go? What are we seeing on the market here? Really what I'm seeing, if we go out from the weekly time frame here, we get this strong bullish candle here off of this news of the vaccine. We get this push up here. We get this gap up here on 11.9. Now we get this cup formation. I like this cup and handle retest here at this 365 level here. That's going to be a key support here coming into the next week. We have to hold this handle level here on the weekly chart in this coming week here. Again, if you can see this uptrend here, we get this cup, we get this cup. Now we get this cup, handle retest at high on 11.9. Hold this support here at 365.17. Now let's see if we can break highs here at 371.05, confirming that cup and handle formation and also higher highs in this uptrend here off of this initial gap up on 11.9 for further continuation to the upside here on SPY. The strongest support provided here at 365 and then below here at 359.08. Those will all be key levels here to watch in the coming week. If we do go out to the daily chart here, you can start to see us trading sideways here. We do need to find more volume to confirm this breakout and push to all-time highs here. Again, most volume coming in here on 12.9 and also here on 11.30. Consolidation day here on 11.30, sell-off day here. Now we're consolidating on 365. Let's see if we can push and make highs here at 371. It will be interesting with the Pfizer vaccine approval and shipments coming out. It will be interesting to see how the market reacts to this. A lot of that is priced in, hence why we are at all-time highs here. But again, 365.17 support and also 359.08 key levels with that 371.05 resistance above here. So after that, from the market, our first play of the week is going to be Disney. Disney having an excellent day here. Again, if you haven't watched our previous videos, the two things that we preach are follow the volume, follow the trend. Volume, check. Trend here. Look at this gap up here. They had a very strong investors day here. Market really liking this, up 14% here on Friday. We get this gap up here. Now once you get gap up to all-time highs, you have to resort to key levels intraday here, not on the long-term time frames, because we aren't used to testing these levels here, specifically on Disney. Again, we get this consolidation breakout. Boom, a huge volume here. Let's see if we can form this new base here if we go in on the 5-day 15-minute. Strong levels below. We have that support at 173.05, also here at 171.63, and also here at 178.50. Disney will likely be an intraday play for us. A lot of volume flowing into this ticker here on Friday. It was actually a play of ours that we did make. So strong here. We get a lot of retail interest as well. Let's see on the daily if we can retest the support here or gap through highs here in pre-market. Will be one that we will likely be playing here tomorrow. So strong. Again, I can't stress this enough. I always follow the volume. You can see the strength of this trend here, gapping up. Now let's see if we can form a new base before another run or higher highs, indicating further upside here on Disney. Accumulating volume above the high here at 179.45 will be the key that we are watching here into the coming week. The second play is going to be Crowdstrike, not one that we normally trade, something I've been looking into recently. A very big gap up here off of earnings here, again, 140 all the way up to 180. Now we're getting some volume here. It looks like we're trying to get this volume here. We get this volume here on 12.10. Consolidation here on Friday. Now let's see if we can break highs here on 180, 180. The liquidity on these options is not the best, so that is something to consider. But technical wise, if we do see this, we're finally gapping above this 153.83 triple top resistance here. Again, we get rejected. Earnings power gap up here. Now let's see if we can break above 180, 180 with that support provided below at 166.16. This is a big beta ticker, meaning that it is very volatile with SPY. It does move quite often or quite frequently during the day. It can be a big mover. It typically moves 2 to 5%. So again, watching this over 180, 180 is key. I want to see more volume coming into this like we did see back here in September. Now let's see if we can get a break of highs here with strength and volume accumulation above that 180, 180 for the next leg up here in CRWD. Again, if we go out on the weekly chart, very strong, clear, obvious uptrend here off of these lows here in March. Higher highs here with strength into this in this coming week. Again, you can see this volume coming in here. Obviously, this one coming in from earnings day. But let's see higher highs here over 180, 180. We'll be looking to scalp this one intraday here over that high here. Again, on Friday, you can see consolidation day here if we go back out on the daily. Consolidation, now let's test highs here or that 166 base support on ticker symbol CRWD. Another one watching, mRNA. This has been one that we've been playing quite a lot recently as well, have been finding good success with it. I like this base gap up here off of news here on 1127. Now what happens when you get gaps? You get very prevalent support and resistances. So we have this support provided here at this 145 price point here. Again, you can start to see we're trading sideways here. I want to see more strength and accumulation above this 162 price point here. If we go in here on intraday, again, you can see we tested that before making these lower low intraday levels here. So again, key is going to be over 162. After hours here, you can see we are testing that, hence why it is on the watch list. It does have potential to hit that 175 region here again, with that strongest resistance being at 178.50 off of that initial news where we did get that gap down with volume here. So again, what do we look for? We get this drop down here, consolidation, breaking that downtrend, bearish engulfing here. Now let's see if we can make higher highs. The key will be over that 170 region here, over the, what daily candle was this, 12.8 and 12.9. Let's see if we can get accumulation above that 170, 171 price point with potential to see 178.50 here and with a breakout to push to highs here. In the coming week, will be big to get delivery results from their vaccine, from Pfizer's as well. That is going to be a key player into this, likely why it's pushing up here after hours. The distribution is going to be key in this vaccine and in this particular ticker. The last play that we're watching is going to be Baidu. Interesting play here, interesting setup. One that's actually been seeing a lot of strength recently. Again, you can see we're trading sideways here, gapping through of this 147 level here and taking off. Again, higher highs here, strength. Now after this consolidation here off of 12.2, we get this consolidation into 12.7 and then gap up here. Really what I'm seeing here is strength and volume on this breakout over this resistance here at this 147.38 level here, pushing up and making highs here. Again, when you are at all-time highs, you have to resort to intraday levels to chart this. You don't have any previous known support and resistances when you are pushing towards all-time highs here. I do like this higher high channel here. Let's see if either we can make highs here at 163.40 or intraday consolidation here around this 158.28 price point. Again, when you are charting and looking at things that are pushing to all-time highs, you have to resort to intraday levels here, such as going just like this and drawing these support and resistances right there, and also right here. We do have those two prevalent levels here to watch coming into Monday. 163.02 resistance, 160.56 support. Again, these aren't set in stone levels. As the second or cent that it breaks this, you buy a call, or break this, you buy a put. You watch these levels with strength, or not strength, you watch this with volume and trend. You don't trade anything that's trading sideways, trade things in a trend. If we go out on the daily, again, you can see we're in a clear defined uptrend here, making higher highs here. Let's see if we can break this 163 area or retest of this 160.56 support here intraday on Monday to get that best risk to reward entry and putting the probability in your favor of a winning trade. So again, to recap, really watching Disney strong, Crowd, Baidu, and also mRNA. mRNA is going to be very driven off of news, and we are going to be watching Disney to see if we can continue that volume here into the coming week. With that being said, that wraps up our 4 plays of the week. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. And again, if you are interested in getting our daily buy, sell, trade alerts, our 8 hours of course content, and more, and help from myself, simply check out simplified-investing.com today. We would love to have you guys on board. Hope you're all having a great weekend and look forward to trading with the team tomorrow. Thank you.